Hossie at? I don't see Hossie. Water park ready, people. It's gonna be a long day. Here come the tomfoolery already. We haven't even made it to the water park. 2 minutes away, and we gotta stop and get something to eat. Oh, she needs the door unlocked. Okay. There's our son, Hossie. Our adopted son, Diamond's best friend for life. They're going to the water park and it's raining. You said they're delicate because they're clowning about their hair getting wet. A lot of space, people. This is going to be really fun. It's not crowded. I love it when it's just like this. Hossie and Diamond, come on. Okay, people, here we go. They want to be out here all day. I told you, I hope you brought extra shoes. Okay, they're about to get in. It drizzled a little and it stopped, so it looks like it's going to be a beautiful day after all. She thinks she's super cool. Oh, Lord, I can't go that far in. I'll just stay here. It almost took me to the 6 feet. I'm going to stay right over here at 3. This is that fake swimming. If you can't swim, you just paddle with your feet. The waves coming. Whoa, 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 the waves. I was trying to get out before the waves, y'all. Whoa, whoa, Lord Jesus. Whoa, Hossie. There goes Hossie. Whoa. Oh, both of them went together. Whoa. Zoom, they came out zooming. What is going on over here? What are they doing? Whoa. No, she's not on the little kitty frog. That's for the little kids. What's wrong with them? Don't you dare go down there and get stuck. People, we are chilling. It is peaceful. We got this water park to ourselves almost. I'm going to be out of here in about 40 minutes. 6 o'clock, I want to be gone. Oh, she's going in, people. Whoa. Whoa, the waves are going. Uh-oh. There's Diamond and Hossie. Whoa, they're going in to catch some waves, people. Uh-oh, water fight. Whoa. Whoa, Miss Destiny swimming. So it's like after 6 and I'm still here because they are hard-headed. So therefore we won't be making a stop to the Albanese Candy Factory.